Today's episode is brought to you by
cruiseline.com,
where you can find reviews, tips, and photos from real, everyday kid cruisers. Did you like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey cruisers, we are back on MSC Seaside, sharing today our top 7 spots on the ship from a kid's perspective. I have my 9.5 or 9 3/4, according to him, year-old son with me today to talk about his 7 favorite spots. Now this is very difficult because he was kind of reordering them and duking them out for all the top favorite spots on board, but we're going to start with number 7. Son, what is your number 7 favorite spot on the ship?
So that is the arcade area.
The arcade area.
The reason it is one of my favorites is because the 5D cinema is really fun. I love to play air hockey with other kids and my mom and dad.
Aw, that's nice. Thank you. So when you did the 5D cinema, what mode did you choose?
We chose Gigamon.
Gigamon.
Godzilla.
All right. Okay, sounds good. So we are actually going to make a correction. It's actually called the XD Cinema. It's kind of confusing when you come on MSC Seaside because they write it in different ways, different places. But it is indeed the XD Cinema. So we did the, which mode do we do? Gigamon, Godzilla, something like that. But they also have werewolves. They have zombies. They have some kind of machines or robots.
Yeah, robots.
And they have all kinds of scary things that we didn't want to do. So
I think
we went with that.
Robots.
Yeah, lots of fun in the arcade area. There's a ton for kids down there. All right, so what's your number 6 favorite area on the ship?
That is the kids club. It is really fun because you can go there and build huge mansions and towers and
Out of what?
Cruise ships out of Legos.
Out of Legos. So he said the kids club, and because they have amazing amounts of Legos. I've never seen so many Legos in my life. And our son went in there, we dropped him off on, I want to say it was like the first night,
Yes.
and he stayed for like an hour, hour and a half, and he was totally grooving on building Legos. So we went to go pick him up. The guy at the front desk was like, "Junior editor, come to the front desk. Junior editor, come to the front desk." And he didn't come because he was loving life and he was totally into it. All right, on to the next one. What is it 5? Number 5?
Yes,
Okay.
it is Vanky.
Vanky. And what is Vanky?
It is the gelato creperie chocolate.
Very well said. He's correct. Our whole family loves Vanky, and there's actually 2 Vankys on board. There's one inside the ship that has coffee drinks, cocktails, chocolate, and massive, beautiful gelato sundae kind of things.
I
Yeah.
forgot to add coffee.
And coffee drinks. And then on the back of the ship, there's another Vanky that serves, I believe,
Gelato
crepes,
and crepes.
gelato, and they have a million different types of gelato. And then they also have popsicles, like these gelato popsicles. They're really fancy.
They're like ice cream bars.
Ice cream bars. What's next?
The buffet. I really like the buffet because they have great pizzas. Their pizzas are really good.
Uh-huh.
And they have lemonade and tropical mango, and every time I mix that together, I mix those together and it tastes really good.
Yum. Okay, so the buffet gets points for good pizza and good drinks. Okay, what's next?
The Forest Aquaventure Park.
The Forest Aquaventure Park is so fun, and the kids just get in there and they go crazy. They have water guns, they have a timed bucket, they have all kinds of really fun stuff to do, and it is the bomb, isn't it?
Yeah.
Cool. So what number are we on now?
2.
Okay, we're down to number 2. What is your number 2 favorite spot on the
My
ship?
number 2 favorite spot on the ship is the bunk beds right behind me. This is a bed,
Yeah.
and this is a couch.
You might be a little bit surprised to hear that that was one of his favorite spots. Now, the reason that he likes it, and we'll show you a little bit of footage of that, of course, is that it's a really cool place for kids. So what they do is they take the sofa bed in the room and they convert it to basically a 2-level bunk bed. On the bottom is where my son is sleeping, and then the top, it's still a couch. They just basically raise the couch up, and my son likes to sit up there and watch Cartoon Network. Now, he doesn't watch a lot of TV at home, so Cartoon Network is actually kind of a treat for him on board. So it's something he's really, really liked, and he wanted to add it to the list. So I think we're at number 1, right?
Yep.
Okay, drum roll. Drum roll, and my son's favorite spot on the ship is...
What?
What?
Say,
Watch
Slide.
Slides! Yay! He loves the water slides, and so do I. Honestly, as a mom, I can tell you the water slides are a blast. Now make sure that you get your Forest Aquaventure wristband on day 1 if you want to go on the water slides, because you have to have this to go on those water slides, right? Which is your favorite of the water slides? The one that you use the tubes on?
Yeah, I think that's that. And by the way, I'm gonna need a bigger wrist.
He's gonna need a bigger wrist. So yeah, we've been accumulating a lot of wristbands through our ports and on the ship. So that was our top 7 list of places that kids might just dig here on MSC Seaside from a 9.5-year-old boy's perspective. Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to follow us on social media. We're on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Cruise Tips TV, and consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe and turn on your notifications bell. Will, should we do our outro together?
Yep.
All right, 1, 2, 3. Until next time, we'll see you on the high seas. Good job.